this is Judy. This is going to be a quick one today. I just received my new paper pumpkin kit, and I just wanted to show you what is included with them in case you're on the fence about getting a subscription, which I really highly suggest. You can always cancel it if you don't want it that month. They give you a preview of what it looks like, and along with that, this month of July of 24 is bonus days, so you can earn $5 coupons for every $50 you spend, so you'll get like $15 if you get the yearly subscription of coupons to use next month. So you know, it's a win-win all the way around. So this is the beautiful box this time for this month, and this is July of 2024 Painted Petals. So you get your tissue paper and a stamp, which is a really pretty flower. Let's see, what is this? What do they say? I'm so lucky to have you in my life. You're simply the best. It's let's celebrate you. Hello. Friends like you make life beautiful. So really nice sentiments, and then a beautiful flower and a little line border. And the Stampin' Spot is going or gray granite. Oh, I love this beautiful pink. Very, very well presented, right? I love the presentation. Okay, so this is the kit, and you get your instructions, obviously. Oh, it's well packed. All right, so this is the embellishments and the Stampin' Dimensionals and probably the little glue dots. So let's see. All right, so these are some adhesive sequins, your dimensionals, and looks like glue strips, double-coated tissue tape. All right. So that's new. Oh, I love these envelopes. Those are really pretty. And the inside too. Oh, wow. Very pretty. So let's see, you got those. So 3 of each one. And those. Ready-made cards. Very pretty. And I'm not familiar with the colors yet, so I'm not even going to attempt. Let's see, these are punch-out laser little labels for the cards. And these are stamp-on for the sentiments, the little white pieces. So you don't have to cut anything out. These are really pretty. I like these. They look like daisies. Yeah. Very pretty. And I don't think there's anything on the inside of any of these cards. Is it the pink one? No. Okay. Oh, look at those. Wow. That is so pretty. So I'm taking it. You're going to lay these right on top of your card. So you're going to have the backdrop. Wow. You know, I'm going to be getting some extras of this kit. So after the 20th of the month, you can go in and order extra supplies, which would be the kit without the ink and without the stamp set. Everything else I think you get for like $10 or $11. I'm not quite sure. It's very reasonable. Wow. How pretty are those? You know, I think I will make all of these cards. They will come in so handy. and then get a kit to make some layouts with. And this is very thick card chipboard. All right, so you get this. This is what shows you what's on the stamp set, so you can have your artwork to layer your stamp set onto, so you can read it. Okay, so you know what it is. And then you get all the directions to make the cards. And these are the cards that they show you on the front. So they have them a little offset. Yep, just a little offset. These are gorgeous cards. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I have a feeling this is going to sell out quick. So if you like these and you want to start a subscription, I would highly recommend doing it. These are beautiful, beautiful cards. All right, so I will make some and then I will post them here so I can show you up close. Okay, I finished all the cards. I used my big pad. I stamped all these sentiments on the pieces of paper that they gave us, and I still have a bunch left over. This tissue tape, I have 3 strips left. This stuff is so sticky. If you use it, you're not getting your paper up without ripping it. At least I couldn't. And the stamp set. I used all the stamps, the sentiment stamps. I didn't use the flower or the strip. I guess it's like a border, and I'm sure I will use it. But these are the most beautiful cards. However, I had to bring in some extra foam tape. The dimensionals wasn't enough. So this is one, and I put 4 of the sequins. They're like an opaly sequin. I had enough so I could do 4 on each card. Usually only do 3, only do the odd numbers, but I had 4, enough for each card, and I didn't want to have any left over floating around on my desk. I have enough stuff left over from projects, so I just used them up, and they are gorgeous. I love these cards. Oh my goodness. And the envelopes too. So you got that one. So pretty. So what you can do with the stamp and the border is put something on the inside, maybe add a little watercolor to it. That might be something that I could do. And of course, depending on who you send it to and when. And I don't know which one is my favorite. I like all of them. They're just so pretty. So yeah, if you have a need for any cards, these are so beautiful, and it's just so easy to make. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions about Paper Pumpkin, let me know. I'll have close-ups here at the end. Thank you.